Hi, my name is Aanchal Sabharwal, and obviously, I'm here to talk about Hormuz and his dance company. I know Hormuz for more than 3 years now, and it's been a great experience. Uh, he's a great guy, and he's very professional, and we have traveled so much with our play. Or it's how you know about a person is always when you travel. और हम लोग इतने शोज़ के साथ ट्रैवल कर चुके हैं कि एवरी शो इज़ डिफरेंट एंड एवरी शो वी सी हिम वर्किंग विद ऑल ऑफ अस एंड ही सो क्विक एंड ही सो नाइस. It's amazing how he just sets up everything in the minimum amount of time and minimum amount of things available. So it's great, and I think the best part of his dance company is his dancers, obviously, because if you know his dancers, you know that they all have, a day job and everything, and that really makes a lot of sense because ये सब लोग जो dance करते हैं, and all these people who are performing for these events and all for him, it's all for the passion of dance. So, and you can see that when you work with them and when you see them dancing, you can see that they all have something else that they can do and make money from, but this is something that they do for pure passion. And I think when you do something with that amount of passion for anything in life, it's always going to be great and it's always going to be the best. So and you see that in them, and it's almost it's just perfect, and they're all great people and they're all beautiful people, and it's amazing to always work with them. It's fun off stage and on stage. So I'm so glad that I'm associated with such people, such fun loving people, and I think if you have fun with your work, there's nothing better to do then. So all the best.